Hi guys.
It's Dad.
And Dashy.
Or D&D.
Yes.
Back for another video. We thought we'd try with this one. Now we know this band really, really well. I introduced Dashy to this band when she was young.
Yes.
And I grew up with this band, with the original lead singer Fish. And this is the wonderful Marillion. They now have a singer who's been with them for many years now called H. And they are just a phenomenal progressive rock band. And this is a track which is quite emotional for us. Yeah. It's a very powerful track. And it's from the album An Hour Before It's Dark, which is their latest album, which is superb. If you like Marillion, you might not, but we love Marillion, yes. So we thought we'd try you guys and see what you thought, because not everybody's heard of them. They used to be huge, and then they went down a bit, and now they're coming up again slowly. But they've always been consummate. I nearly said magicians, except I just said magicians, musicians. So we'd be really interested what you think of this one, guys
and it's a
girls.
Special reaction.
Yeah, and this is Marillion, The Crow and the Nightingale from An Hour Before It's Dark, their new album.
Also, I thought I would put the album. Ta-da! Hope you like it.
Yeah, we'll probably do that from now on. And you just realised you could do that.
Yeah.
There's the album. So anyway,
if you like this idea, let me know.
Yeah.
Ta-da!
Enjoy, everybody.
And
we've got a video for this one.
Yes.
As well. So without further ado, ready, steady. Get your hair caught up in your headphones.
Yep, headphones on.
Hang on a minute.
Okay. Cut. Oh dear.
Oh God, living with you is absolutely priceless. Every day. Right.
Ready?
I wouldn't have it any other way, folks.
Go
right. Crow and the Nightingale. Let's go. Play the tape.
There we go. Enjoy. Oh. Oh.
Thank you for your words of longing. It doesn't really matter whether or not I understood them. Doesn't really matter.
What I love about Marillion, it's so simple but yet so aesthetically pleasing and just genius as well with their videos.
Powerful.
Very powerful and moving. Yes, and that start, like, oh, just goosebumps.
Yeah, it's a great album.
Yeah, An Hour Before It's Dark, by the way, if we didn't say what the album was.
I did, 3 times.
Did you? Oh.
Yeah. This is roughly, loosely based around, I don't know if it's the life or it's a tribute. H admires this particular person. The singer, musician Leonard Cohen. So this is, this is for Leonard Cohen, I believe. For, well, I can't remember if he's with us or not still, but I know H admires him. So, yeah, shall we have some more?
Stunning, yeah. Please.
Didn't matter whether or not I understood them. Doesn't really matter where they take me or how they take me. Oh, which black hill in a storm, an unruly sea of salt frozen fear, or a paradise with palms. As long as it's not here, as long as it's not here, but a rooftop I can go to scream above. tight without hurting. I can try.
Watch the beak, everyone. It's dissolving the crow, isn't it?
I think the metaphor is that,
Yeah.
yeah, and the nightingale is, I think, the black one.
So keep an eye, everyone. Stunning. Oh my god.
I've got goosebumps on goosebumps.
Yes. Same.
I've heard that so many times, every single time. I mean, to be honest, that could have been even louder in the headphones. It's just, they do something to me, this band.
Yeah.
It's just gorgeous. Gorgeous tonality, really subdued. Ian Mosley's very good with the track. He's very subdued, but he's just got lovely...
Yeah, and I think they've got a choir or something in the background. It's going, ah.
Yeah, oh yeah, there's a choir. There's a choir.
Yeah.
And I think they got the string quartet with them as well. The new, they often play with them now. Steve Rothery, got to be one of the most underrated guitarists in the world.
Yes.
I mean, we saw them live at Aylesbury Theatre, didn't we?
Yeah.
And they're so good live.
Yeah.
Honestly, if you get a chance to see Marillion live, go and see them there. Oh my goodness me! And yeah, I love the old stuff with Fish, but I think, personally speaking, I think they're more atmospheric and a bit more proggy, I suppose.
Yeah, definitely.
With H.
Yeah.
And you know, Mark Kelly's keyboards, gorgeous.
Yeah.
They just know what they're doing, don't they? They know what they're doing,
Yeah.
and they do it so well.
Phenomenal.
And yeah, I think they're with Ear Music.
Yeah.
I don't think they've got a massive record label, and they do a lot of it self-funded. I think they were one of the first bands to fund an album on the internet.
Really. Yeah, really. Oh,
And
wow.
I think it was crowdfunded. One of the albums.
Was it Patreon or?
I think it's Marillion.com was the one that was
Oh yes, of course.
because I think that was founded on not Patreon. No, it was oh god, it was one of the crowdfunding sites. I've forgotten which one it is, but I think they're the first band.
Yeah.
I think they've gone in the Guinness Book of Records for being the first band to actually fund a whole album by crowdfunding.
Wowza.
Because at the time, I don't think they were signed with.
So a bit like The Warning.
Yeah, well, I think with
Yeah.
the Marillion is they went like whoosh, and then Fish left,
Yeah.
and then for a long time they were a little bit in the wilderness, still making music and everything, but certainly not to. And then all of a sudden they got popular again. I think they, I mean, their music has been phenomenal through the years. So they've been going a very, very long time.
Better and better and better. From
Yeah,
others.
yeah, and I just adore this album.
Yeah.
I think they're getting stronger and stronger and stronger as they get older.
Yeah. So please check out the album.
Yeah.
It is phenomenal.
Yeah, it's gorgeous on the headphones.
Yeah,
if you're late at
definitely.
night and you're just chillaxing in bed,
Yeah.
it is absolutely good. It's a lovely album, actually.
Definitely.
Really, really nice album.
Yeah.
And please, everybody, give them some love on their
yeah.
own site.
I'll put all their links down below.
All the links
don't
down
worry.
below. If you like it, subscribe, comment,
Yeah.
and
Ding ding.
they will be very grateful because they're lovely people. They're from England. They're a
Yes.
British band.
Yeah.
They're all British.
Like us.
I forgot to mention Peter Abbas, who's the bass player, and he is in several other side projects
Yes.
as well. But his main band is Marillion, and yeah, I love that, as you can guess.
Oh yes. With Mike, the bassist guy, isn't it?
Extreme Theatre, Mike Portnoy.
Yeah, and they did a project with paint.
Transatlantic, Flying Colours. No, not Flying Colours.
No.
Pete's not in Flying Colours.
No, the one with like. Oh, I forgot what it's called. The project.
Transatlantic?
No.
Liquid Tension.
That's the one. Yeah.
Project.
Liquid Tension. That's the
Yeah,
one.
oh
yes.
my god, we'll do some of those.
Yeah.
You'll be absolutely blown away. But they're all instrumental. But
Yes.
yes, that one's very, very special. And they're phenomenal musicians on that.
Yeah.
But anyway, that's for another day.
Yeah.
I hope you enjoyed that as
And
much as we did.
Have an amazing weekend and go check out Marillion. It's really good.
Yeah, yeah.
Amazing.
They got a massive back catalogue.
Yeah.
I believe their
Go
website's
crazy.
Marillion.com
Yeah.
still. And yeah, they've got some unbelievable. Their catalogue is some of the music is just unbelievable.
It is. Yeah.
And you'll be hearing some more.
Yeah.
Hope you like that again. And thanks for indulging me
Yeah.
and Dashy to a
And
certain
me.
extent.
Yeah.
But yeah,
Have an amazing day and weekend. We'll
cheers
see you
everybody.
soon.
Take care. See you on the
everyone.
next one.
Bye.
Bye.
Stay well.